on. Oh my God. It's funny. Okay, funny. Welcome to Jules of Gina. And if it's your first time to be in our channel, consider subscribing if you want to see videos, updates on DepEd, new normal, modular distance learning, and anything under the sun. But right now, this is a personal vlog about the gifts that I received from the Heroesville Elementary School faculty and staff. So you are so you really surprised me with these gifts. Thank you very much, guys. I did not expect that. You did not give me only one, but 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this is the biggest one. So okay, let's begin with this one. Let's unbox this one. Okay. I thought so. Very nice. Okay, so this is what? I think it's a pillow. Is that a pillow? Okay, let's see. I hope you are watching teachers in Heroesville Elementary School. So we have headed by the faculty president, Caroline Jo G. Lacson. Thank you all the officers of Heroesville Elementary School Teaching Club, headed by Caroline Jo Lacson. Okay, thank you very much. And then of course, so that we can remember everyone, we will begin with the kinder teachers. Kinder teachers first. I do not know what is this. Okay. So it's a soft pillow, but very nice. Okay. Okay. Nice for the chair. You want something you use in your chair like that.
Para sa hanggang Pasko.
Hindi, marami pa naman akong babalutin next time. Okay, this one. So, thank you. And the biggest one, of course. Ayan. This one, sige, next time na lang, I will just open the biggest one. Ito, what is this? Ayun. Nice. Okay. Even the face mask in the new normal is being decorated for something unique. So my kitty's playing with the wrap. Darky, you're playing with the wrap. Okay, this one. So you will see the creativity of the businessman. So adapting in the new normal, creating design so that we will not get bored with the design of our face mask. Will give us different design to choose from. Okay, thank you very much. So starting from kindergarten, the grade leader, Ma'am Jeremy Flores, and then the other two equally supportive and equally hardworking teachers, Ma'am Rochelle Entero and Ren Crisha D. Ampa, our ICT coordinator. Thank you very much. Okay, so I was able to shout out the name of our kinder teachers before we go to grade 1. Okay, in the grade 1 teachers, what happened to that? Okay, by the way, I will just share this one so with others. So let's see. Ayan. I think it's raining again. So the other gifts will be opened. The 2 gifts will be opened on Christmas Day, but the 3 gifts, the pillow, the face mask, and this one, the biggest one. Okay, let's see the biggest one. I think it's is it a mirror? Maybe it's a mirror. Or a divider or what? This one I think with the design. Careful with the design. Careful with the design. So with the with the grade 1 teachers headed by grade leader Ma'am Lorena Francisco, and the other grade 1 teachers, the GAD coordinator Ma'am Jodine Valenzuela, our LRMDS, our library hub coordinator Ma'am Bien Hana Carlos, our waste segregation coordinator Ma'am Jonalyn Tejada, and our NDEP coordinator Ma'am Grace Tumagan. Okay, so are there 5 already? Ma'am Grace Tumagan, Ma'am Jodine Valenzuela, Ma'am Lorena Francisco, Ma'am Bien Hana, and Ma'am Jonalyn Tejada. Have I already? And Grace Tumagan already. Mentioned their name. So what is this? So I need to open this one to see. Sunset at Istanbul. Ano ba to? What is this really? 3-piece set, full dimensions. Easy art. Premium canvas art. So ano, merong art dito? In the plastic. Okay. You placed in your sala. This is going to be a view in the sala, or maybe here while I'm doing the live streaming. So you see, welcome to Istanbul, sunset at Istanbul. So there's one more. There are 3 pieces here. 3 pieces. Other one is this one. And Kitty is playing along with the ano. Why it's cannot open. I cannot. It's so. Diba dalawa? Diba tatlo? Tatlo siya. Yes, 3. Pero this one is lock. Okay. Yon. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Very nice design. Very nice background. Look at that. Okay. Canvas. Art canvas. Thank you. So, we're done with grade 1. Grade 1. Let me check. So that we have a complete list. It's difficult if we miss somebody. We need to have the complete list. Complete list for everyone. Okay? So this one. Yan. So we have for grade 1, I already told you, Ma'am Lorena A. Francisco, Jonalyn C. Tejada, Ma'am Bien Hana P. Carlos, Jodine M. Valenzuela, and Grace Tumagan. Next, we go to grade 2, who are the teachers in Heroesville Elementary School in grade 2. The teachers in grade 2 are, of course, the grade leader headed by Ma'am Carmi M. Robea, the grade leader. And then we have Gemaline F. Taladro, our disbursing officer, who is helping us with the MOOE. Helen C. Dagdag, our Adapt a School Program Coordinator. Grace L. Tumagan already transferred to grade 1. Eugene Mortel in the new grade 2 teacher, our 4-piece coordinator. Okay? Next, our grade 3 teachers headed by Ma'am Jennifer Repolio as the grade leader. We have Maria Victoria V. Loret, our SPG SDRMM coordinator. And then we have Lorna Cortez, DORP, Wrap-Up Reduction Program coordinator. And I think she's also involved with the NDEP, with the drug education program. And grade 3. And then we have Bobby Absede Granada, our grade 3 teacher. Then we go to grade 4, headed by Ma'am Isa E. Morales. And the grade 4 teachers are Sir Ferdinand Y. Singson, our Master Teacher 2 in Heroesville Elementary School. We have Maricel Moleño, another teacher, Filipino coordinator, and then I think 1, 2, 3. There are only 3 in grade 4. And the new teacher, Maria Cristina Pascual. And then for grade 5 teachers, we have our grade leader, Mary Grace D. Maneja, the grade leader. And then Merlin Hannah P. San Diego, SBM coordinator. We have Gia M. Romay, GPP and TLE coordinator and property custodian. And then Carl Edberg Bakungan. Those are the teachers in grade 5. Ayun, si Bong Kayaw. Ayun, thank you, Bong Kayaw Vlogs. Sinasabi ko lang the teachers in Heroesville, this design canvas here came from them, so I am thanking them for this design. Ang ganda nga eh. And then of course in grade 6 naman, the last one, grade 6 teachers headed by Joanne T. Pamplona, our science coordinator. Ayan. Shout out Bong Kayaw Vlogs, shout out Bong Kayaw Vlogs. Thank you Sisi. Thank you Sisi for dropping by Bong Kayaw Vlogs. Salamat po. Ayan, nabuksan ko na. Nabuksan ko na yung mga yung mga gifts kanina. So one is the pillow, and the other one is the face mask. Very creative yung face mask, iba na yung design. So grade 6, Mayulin B. Panganiban, our math teacher and also the original MOOE disbursing officer, and Sulamite Bill Millones, our artist, our art coordinator, Crisel Joy F. Popilio, our Brigada Eskwela coordinator, and then who else in grade 6? Caroline Jo Lacson, our guidance teacher, our guidance counselor, and president of Heroesville Elementary School teaching staff. So, thank you very much. Dito lang, BG Linis pa ako, isang kwarto teacher. Iwan ko to, naka-play. Uy, wow, salamat naman. Ang naman. Thank you. Touch naman ako doon. So, ayun. I already opened this up. Hindi ko alam saan lalagay ito. Kung dito ba ilalagay sa kwarto namin. So, yun lang. Marami siyang packaging. So, in the packaging, you have to clean up your packaging. Ayun. So, we have just finished our 5-day in-service training seminars for the teachers. Ayan. So, we're done with